Yo, what up? This your boy Mike J, and you watching me right here on Living the Hustle.
I was at Platinum 21. She ain't had no clothes on. Favorite song just came on. Started bending over. Baby, where you from? Tats say Miami. Lips look like candy. They gon' come in handy. Girl, you saving up for school. Don't need no baller. The way you working, baby, you deserve more than $1. I'm coming up to you with big face honest. You wanna shower? I'ma drive because I love you. It's only for the real strippers who came to put on a show. Got trash bags.
Welcome back to another hot edition of Living the Hustle. It's your host, Misha Rashawn, aka The Diva. And I'm here at Studio 713 in the heart of Houston, Texas. And I got with me Capitol's artist, next rising hot star. He already made it. His name is Mike J. Tell us a little bit about you.
I'm Mike J. I'm from Detroit. You know what I'm saying? We out here in the H. We enjoying ourselves, man. We got this EP that just came out. It's for the ladies. It's called the Mike J EP. Make sure you go get it. It's on Live Mixtapes. It's on that Piff. I feel like all the ladies gonna love it. I feel like all the DJs gonna love it. You know, we just working hard, you know.
Now, right now, you've been here connecting with the DJs, letting them get a feel for your EP. Tell me how important it was for you to connect with the DJs, especially in Houston being a big place where people come to get their music played.
Well, I mean, Houston is like super, like I include Houston into my music, you know what I'm saying? So it was super important for me to come out here and actually like feel what people feel about my music, you know, and just make that connection with everybody so I can have that pass to come back and, you know, do shows and all that type of stuff and just make that connection because I'm a new artist. So I'm just trying to build relationships and, you know, make this thing look like life.
Now, tell me, everybody was feeling Real Strippers. What was the concept of the song? A little bit about the album. What's the concept of the album?
I mean, well, right now, I always describe my album as random because I'm a Gemini and I'm like always thinking, yo, that's dope, that's dope. So like our minds is always going, you know what I'm saying? So it's like all my stuff is random, but it's all like personal experiences. It's a lot of stuff that I've been through. My brother, like we wrote our whole album, like my whole album. So, you know, we did it in like a year. You know, it took a little time to do it, but we got an EP out of that. So it was cool. We got great records, you know, but the concept really just gonna be random. You know what I'm saying? But for a week was really just us in the studio writing. We just came up with a record, we was having fun, we had a party in there. We had a party and, you know, that's just what it was.
Now, when you say you were a Gemini, I already knew because you can't keep a Gemini in a box.
Nah, not at all, not at all.
Now, tell me, you've got a lot of comparisons I've heard to August Alsina. What separates you from a lot of the other artists that are coming out that kind of has a little bit of your swag?
I mean, we all going for the same goals, you know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, we're just trying to make great music, you know, that's all I'm about. You know, if there's a comparison, that's dope because, I mean, they doing great things right now, you know, from Chris to August Alsina to, you know, Trey, all them guys. So, you know, shouts out to them.
Now, you look really young. I have to ask, how old are you?
I'm 22.
Doing your thing. Now, is there anything that we don't know about you, that we need to know about you? Where can we find you at? Look up your music, website, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram.
Who is Mike J? That's everything. On Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everything. Who is Mike J? Hit me up.
Your skin's amazing, smile light up the dark. I'm so in love, feel like I knew it from the start. You got that ass that a real nigga can't pass. Let's stand up to this mirror so I can put it on the gas. If you was a stripper, you'd be right here on the pole. And if this